There's the battery.
That one looks pretty good.
Yeah. Alrighty then. So.
There are the jumper cables. We're gonna attach them to this car to the tractor.
Started, really. It's a small engine. Black to black.
Yeah, black.
Which one's first though? Does it matter?
I mean, the way you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to do like red to there and then black to the engine block, but just it doesn't matter. Just do the battery.
Actually, this might not work because it has to be engaged. This has to have.
Oh yeah, how's this all gonna work?
I forgot exactly how this works. But there's some like.
Oh yeah, because we can't put the thing down.
No, but there's a way you can just do it with your fingers. I forgot where it is though. I'm trying to remember how this works. I don't remember how it works. It's like I know there's like a pressure thing somewhere. I just don't remember where it is. Like it might not even be the battery. It might just be the pressure thing.
All right.
Take the battery out.
Are we gonna be able to reach these cables? Now that I'm looking at this? Yes, we are. So we can just hitch that up to that battery and start it. And then, no, what after that? I guess what we'll do is we'll, yeah, we can take the battery out. We'll charge the battery up, like with a battery charger. And then, you can just like not stop the, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think it's because it's all wet. That's what I'm guessing.
Yeah, could be in there.
It's all wet.
Oh yeah, there's puddles in there. There are puddles in that tractor.
Alrighty. So let's hit you. I guess I can type these on there.
Yeah, do you think Steve Disqualified's flying that plane? I think Steve Disqualified's flying that plane. Do you know Steve Disqualified's a pilot? Steve Disqualified flies planes. Red goes to red, black goes to black.
I don't think that's touching anything.
Then somebody's got to start this thing, so maybe we can have Eric hold those.
Should I have, yeah, what?
Should have Eric hold those while you start it.
Yeah,
Or
if
just
it
hang them.
works. I don't want these to touch. Is that good?
So you got to put the seat down, right?
Yeah.